Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So friends, in this video I will be discussing about off-campus jobs from Genpact, Jio, Seclor and Morningstar. So there is no 60% criteria and all the branches are eligible, those who are passing in 2023, 22, 21, 2020 and 2019. So let's begin our video. The first opportunity is from Genpact. So talking about the job role is process associate. The location will be Jaipur. This is a full-time opportunity for bachelor's or graduation degree. So talking about the minimum qualification, graduate in any discipline or any branches can apply for this job. Freshers are eligible. So talking about the responsibilities, you will be responding to customer queries and customer concerns. You will be also supporting for data collection to enable recovery of the account for end user and to maintain a deep understanding of client processes and policies. Second opportunity is from Jio. Jio is hiring for Python developer. Year of experience needed is 0 to 1. It means 2022 and 21 graduates can apply for this job. So talking about the minimum qualification, then BE, BTech or MCA students, those who are graduating in 2022 or 21 can apply for this opportunity. Talking about the responsibilities, as this is a Python developer role, so you have to code in Python language. You have to reuse, test, debug in efficient Python scripts. You also have to implement APIs to integrate with third-party software components. You should be also having a good knowledge in SQL and data structures concept. So this job is very good, those who are efficient in Python language. Third opportunity is from Seclor. So talking about the minimum qualification, then BE, BTech, MCA students, those who are graduating in 2022 and 23 can only apply for this job. Talking about the skills, then you should be having a proficient in Java, C++ or Python language. Job location will be Mumbai or Pune and the role they are hiring for product engineer. So talking about the responsibilities, then you will be a part of the core product development team which is responsible for building different components of the Seclor products. You will be also responsible for designing, coding, reviewing, testing, fixing the bug of different software products. As they are hiring for coding enthusiasts, so you love to code and develop software systems. So talking about the salary and compensation, they have mentioned as per the market standards. Fourth opportunity and the last opportunity for this video is from Morningstar. They are hiring for the role of MDP associate. It is a full-time opportunity. Talking about the eligibility, then graduation in any discipline can apply. Candidates waiting for their results of their last semester can also apply. It means 2023 candidates can apply for this job. Freshers and candidates with up to 3 years of experience can apply. So freshers as well as experience up to 3 years can apply for this job. So talking about the salary, then your salary will be 3.9 LPA to 5.1 LPA. They are hiring for the job location of Mumbai. So talking about the skills, then you should be having a knowledge in SQL and Python language. And you should be also having a good communication skills with a basic understanding in MS Office, MS Excel and MS Word. So talking about the responsibilities, then you will be conducting timely and in-depth screening, research and reviewing the company data and disclosures. You will be also learning and researching the methodology and processes quickly and apply that knowledge consistently in the company. You will be responsible for production and quality as well as improve the overall performance. So talking about the selection process, after filling the online application form, you will be invited for general aptitude test, and upon clearing the general aptitude test, you will be invited for interview round, and upon successfully clearing the interview round, you will be receiving a job offer. So this was the 4 opportunity. So as per your eligibility, you must apply for all these jobs. If you like the video, do hit the like button, share with your friends those who are in search of new off-campus jobs, and consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.